You're busy, I'm busy, we're all busy. We've all got 24 hours in the day. Some of us seem to be able to use that 24 hours in the day and turn it into millions and millions of dollars. So in this video, I want to give you some time management tips that I and the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs have learnt to help you grow your business. Let's go. I have found a massive benefit to doing some form of exercise every single day. Like crazy benefit to that in terms of the clarity of my thinking, and the ability for me to get shit done is just outrageous. So my first kind of general thing for you is to do some form of exercise every single day. And if you've never exercised before, start small. Let me tell you, something is better than nothing. So even if it's 5 minutes, something is better than nothing. And that's become my own personal mantra. For most things, doing something is better than doing nothing. So whatever it is you're doing, wicked, it's better than zero. So that's the first thing. Second thing, I'm going to give you the tip exactly as it came to me. And it ain't nice the way it was told to me, but I'll break it down and kind of, make it better for you. So when I used to be a cook, and one of the guys I cooked for was a dude called Marco Pierre White, freaking talented chef, crazy bastard. And we would work oftentimes through the night. Lots of stories around that, but we'd sometimes work through the night because we didn't have enough time to do the shit that was in Marco's head on a plate, okay? And one thing he said to me when I called him, when I had my first restaurant and I was in the shit, I called him and said, I'm in the shit, here's why. One of his first pieces of advice to me was, don't have a dog and bark yourself. Now, that's a horrible way of saying, if you employ great people, let them do their job. Let them do their job, okay? So if you're more advanced and you've now got people working for you, it's more important to find talented people whom you trust and then let them get on with it, okay? And one way specifically that I'll give you that I use that is in financial decision making, for instance, which is one of the hardest things for entrepreneurs to give up, financial decision making. So elements of the team that I have are empowered to make financial decisions up to, in this particular instance, I'm talking about $1,000. So anything up to $1,000, I give them complete carte blanche, whether that's to buy something or to refund something, whatever it may be. If the quantum of money is less than $1,000, that particular team of people is empowered to just do it, I trust them to just do the right thing. Okay, so that's one way of doing that. But the premise is the same. Hire good people, let them get on with it. As you progress on your journey, the ability to say no gets more and more important. Entrepreneurs, we are addicted to shiny objects. New things pop up all the time. Your ability to focus and say no to shit is hugely important. Very good. Limit daily time spent on email and social media. Absolutely. So my strategy around that is I allow myself 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes at night. That's it. That's to do all the social media shit I've got to get done. That's it. Same for my emails as well. 30 minutes. If I can't get it done in 30 minutes, then I have to figure something else out. I have to outsource. So my own task management system is I have a to-do, to delegate, to dump. So every night, everything goes onto my big, like, here's the shit I've got to get done sheet. And it goes into, and then I look at it and I go, okay, have I got to do that? Yes. Okay, it stays. Have I got to delegate it? Great. I delegate it out. Or if it's not on any of those, and if it's just something that I kind of want to do, gets dumped. Okay, so that's my own strategy. I do my to-do list at the end of the day. And what I found by doing that is when I go to sleep, my subconscious mind is working on that shit while I'm sleeping. And I wake up oftentimes with some solutions to some of the problems that are on my to-do list. Okay, so I would just tweak a little bit and just give that a shot. Give that a shot. So do it at night, get it all out of you. Means that you sleep a lot better as well. Most people don't sleep so well when they've got loads of shit going on in their head. Get it all out of you, get it down. Done. That was a video from the regular Monday night Q&A session that I host with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, not just here in Australia, indeed right around the world and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, be sure to check out the link below, or indeed you can just get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you in the next video. Bye.